Good morning students, this is EVS lesson 8 means of communication part 2. In first video you all learnt about communication and means of personal communication and mass communication. In this video we will learn about mailing a letter, gestures and hand movements as means of communication and animals communication. So let's get started. Mailing a letter. Letter is the most popular and cheapest means of written communication. Written communication means when we send messages in written, that is called written communication. You can also communicate through electronic mails or emails. So what is email? Email is a system of sending written messages electronically from one computer to another. Now how to post a letter or how to write a letter? We write letters on postcards, inland letters and aerograms. What are aerograms? Aerograms are an airmail letter which we send to another country. When we send letters to another country, that is called aerograms. That is called aerogram. So, from where you can get postcards and inland letters? You can get postcards, inland letters, envelopes and stamps from your local post office. Okay, so after we finish writing a letter, we write name and address of the person whom we want to send the letter. We also write pin code or postal index number in address. So what is the pin code? Pin code is a 6-digit number that makes it easier for letter to reach correct address. After that, we put stamp on the envelopes that contain letters. Then we drop letter into a post box from where postman collects all the letters and takes it to post office. In post office, all the letters are sorted and packed in bags according they are to be delivered. Train, bus or aeroplane take these letters to their distant places. After reaching the destination in main post office, the letters are separated as per the area mentioned in the address. Each postman takes these letters to right person. In this way, a letter travels a long distance and takes 5 to 6 days to reach us. When you need to send letters quickly, you can use the speed post facility. You can also send letters by courier service. If you send letters through registered post, they reach the correct destination quickly and correctly. Now, gestures and hand movements. Gestures and hand movements can also act as means of communication. Children, you all might have seen some classical dances like Kathak or Bharatanatyam. In these dances, dancers make different mudras. In your book also you can see mudras are given here, different types of mudras are given here. So these mudras are used to express feelings and emotions. This way dancers, they communicate with their audiences. They express their feelings and emotions through these mudras. How do animals communicate? Animals may not be able to speak, but they do communicate. They communicate in their special ways to each other, like whales sing to communicate, wolves howl, frogs croak, birds chirp and tweet, dogs wag their tails and bark, and cows moo. Animals and birds often communicate through their body movements, gestures, or facial expressions, like dolphin slaps water with its tail. Bees communicate about food mainly by a dance language. Bees dance when they find nectar. What is nectar? Nectar is a sweet liquid produced by flowers which bees and insects collect. Bees, when they find nectar, they inform other bees about the source of nectar. Chimpanzees, they greet each other by touching hands. Kangaroos, they hit their hind legs to warn others of danger. Whales jump out of water repeatedly to send messages to other whales. So this way animals communicate with each other.